go ahead and use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the center of this lock pin right here. Use your trim tool, pop up the center. Pull the whole unit right out. Use a plastic trim tool. Again, pop the light forward. And notice this little tab here, it locks into the side of the headlamp. So these two go together. Go ahead and twist the bulb and remove that. You're going to install your bulb. Turn it into the locks. You want to go ahead and line up this tab to the notch on your headlamp. Gently push back. Go ahead and line up your plastic push pin.